Hey there, travelers. We are going to Frederick, Maryland, which is a little different than our normal hiking adventure. And we'll continue on our 52 hikes down the road. But today, we're going to go to Frederick and check out some of their winter lights that we heard that they had and a little bit of the downtown scene. So if you like our content, please give us a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and comment below. We'd love to hear what you guys are doing during the winter coldness right now. So let's hit the road. We're right outside of downtown Frederick at a Civil War battlefield right behind me, Battle of Monocacy. And, right here is where Lee had his troops, and the Union found some of his battle plans and were able to kind of stifle his invasion of Maryland in the Antietam Campaign. So we have a little bit of farmhouses, some Civil War guns as well. But we figured we'd stop here on our way into Frederick. All right, travelers, we're in downtown Frederick after checking out the Civil War battlefield. I think maybe next time we'll check it out, like in the spring when it's a little bit warmer. But it was a cool kind of destination, check out, learn a little history. So in downtown Frederick, checking out kind of like their winter lights, which are like boats that they have, decorations. So let's take a look at it real quick. All right, we are in downtown Frederick, and right behind me you can see some boats in Carroll Creek Park for their kind of winter lights and boats that they have, I believe, through December and January. But each of them have like different themes. Some of them are from businesses or local nonprofits, but we're going to check it out a little bit more during the nighttime when we see the full lights on in display. But meantime, why don't we check a little bit more of downtown? All right, we're walking along Shab Row here in Frederick, which kind of has a lot of boutique type of shops. I've seen a lot of antiques as well. And given the history of Frederick, since it's like an old town, doesn't surprise me that it has like a lot of antiques. But it's pretty cool. I like some of the older buildings. I'm more of an old-fashioned type of person. And, a lot of the old places used to be like old warehouses or old manufacturing facilities that have been kind of taken into just fun shops, restaurants. All right, so we're gonna keep going down our tour here and then maybe check in when we're getting something to eat or drink. So we will check that out shortly as soon as we cross the street here. All right, so we just finished our walk through downtown Frederick. Very scenic, love the history, but we wanted to come back to Carroll Creek Park here with all the boats and lights that you can see behind me. My personal favorite is the Viking ship, which is right there. I mean, kudos to everyone that came up with these designs and the lights. I mean, they look amazing. So yeah, we're gonna check these out and then head into this distillery that we found, McClintock Distillery, I believe, and get warm and have a drink or two. So we'll check back in later after that.
What's the name again?
McClintock.
McClintock.
All right, so we just finished our tasting at the McClintock Distillery. We had an awesome bartender, server. I mean, she thoroughly explained everything. I think my personal favorite was the rye whiskey, which we got a little bit of here, gift package. But they also do tours as well, and they have like a separate bar for like mixed drinks, which are kind of into the next building or next area across the parking lot here. But really awesome place, great atmosphere. And we're going to check out the restaurant next. We're going to try out a burger joint. All right, that was recommended to us by the server. So we're going to check that out. So let's head that way. All right, so we made it from McClintock's Distillery, and our server recommended that we come here to Maxwell's, which is like a shaken burger type of joint, kind of a little bit like a diner type of feel. But we have a peppermint milkshake right here, and I got a nice IPA beer here, and our burgers are on the way, but it seems like a pretty chill restaurant, but looking forward to trying out the food. All right, adventurers, we just finished our dinner at Maxwell's. Really good burgers, and the shake was pretty good too. So definitely recommend it. So this concludes our adventure here in Frederick, but if you liked it and want to see future adventures, please click to subscribe, like, and comment. We will continue on our 52 hike adventure, as well as we're going to Lake Placid in a few weeks. So stay tuned for some more. And until next time, keep on exploring. Sun is right in my eyes.
Yeah.
All right.
It's been on.
Well, we're right outside of downtown Frederick, and there's a Civil War battlefield in Monocacy. It's a very hard word. YouTube goal right here.